Hi, my name is Hector and I'm 70 years old. I'm into nutrition, into health, into anything that is good and against everything that is bad. Anyway, people ask me a lot of questions on health and nutrition, longevity, and in regards to nutrition, question number 110. 110 says, are eggs good for me? Okay, I'm going to show it to you. Are eggs good for me? Okay. The truth is that eggs is the perfect food. And it's gotten the bad rap because of cholesterol. The yolk of the egg has the greatest amount of cholesterol of any food its size. So you would think, wow, that's a bad food to eat. It's got too much cholesterol. However, Mother Nature is incredibly smart, smarter than all of us, and has put into the yolk also lecithin. Lecithin, first of all, has the greatest amount of lecithin of any food size. Lecithin is a lecithin. Let me see if I can talk right. Lecithin is a fat emulsifier. It destroys fat. So the egg, perfectly cooked, is a perfect food. The white of the egg has a substance in it right now. I can't think of the name of it, but it destroys your friendly bacteria in your lower colon. So the white, which is where the protein is in the egg, it needs to be cooked. The yolk can be cooked. So bottom line, if you poach an egg, that would be the perfect food, and you can eat as many eggs as you want. Truthfully, I mean, unless your doctor tells you different, unless you got a condition, I've eaten 6, 7 eggs a day with no problem. I have great cholesterol. My insides are great. My organs are healthy, so that's what's important. So therefore, cook your food correctly. Don't nuke it. Cook it. Now, poached eggs is one thing. I mean, what I do is I take the egg and I take the yolk out and I put it aside and I cook the white. And then when I'm done with that, I'll just throw the yolk on top of the white. It's an egg. Okay, and I eat it. So, and then if you want to put some spices on it, fine. It's up to you. However, eggs are a great food for you if you cook it right. Actually, probably any food cooked correctly is good for you as long as it's food and has no chemicals in it. Okay, so I hopefully this helped you and your doctor doesn't shoot me. Thanks.